Welcome to AlgaeCore's pilot facility. Here in Moshav Kidron, we have been working on the development and optimization of the production of a cyanobacteria, or blue-green algae, generally recognized worldwide as spirulina. Spirulina is a very rich source of whole protein, essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which make it a leading candidate for battling malnutrition. It was chosen as best food for the future by the UN's Food and Agricultural Organization in 2013. Spirulina requires less water and less space and is a very efficient carbon fixator, thus has a smaller environmental footprint while producing at higher yields than other crops. We are now working on the development of a new cloud-based, modular and robust cultivation system which will integrate the high efficiencies of an intensive system or photobioreactor with the simplicity and logistic advantages of an extensive system. We aim to create a plug-and-play unit which will allow farmers and communities to grow without having to be an algae expert or a marine biologist. Our system will enable safe and efficient cultivation virtually anywhere, regardless of land availability, local know-how or infrastructure. Simple applications of spirulina include human food, animal feed, fish meal and aquaculture, water treatment, advanced plant nutrition and fertilization, and energy production. We hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching.